Hello, Escambia County Public School Administrators, and welcome to a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to create and post an announcement in Focus. So when you're in your communication module and you've clicked on Compose, you're going to come over here to this tab and you're going to click Announcement. So your screen is going to look like this. The first thing we want to do on an announcement is give it a title. For my example, I'm doing a fall festival. Then we want to decide how long do we want this to be active. It's going to default to today, but let's say maybe you don't want it to be today, you want it to start on the 30th, and then you're going to pick that expiration date that works for you. Now, the next part is about the profiles. So I'm going to talk you through easy ways to choose profiles. The first thing you want to think about are your profile cheats. Now, this document was created to help you crack the code. Understanding those profile symbols is extremely important. The @ symbol is your base profile, the star is the group, and the double hashtag are badges that contain permissions. The profiles you'll probably use the most often are @parents, @students, star instructional, and star school staff, which are non-teachers. So anytime you're making an announcement, feel free to refer to your Crack the Code profile cheat sheet. The @ symbol is going to take you to parents and students. So if you're sending something that's very simple to them, you're going to choose @parents, and then you can also choose the same thing, an S for students, so you can quickly filter through here. Now, if you're talking about faculty and staff, clicking that star is going to allow you to decide if you want instructional or your school staff, so you can choose what works for you. And remember to always refer to that district cheat sheet that we've made for you to keep it quick, easy, and simple. Here on schools, this dropdown, it says all, but you're only going to have the schools that you have profile permissions to view. You can choose grade levels. Let's say if this was something that you wanted only for certain grade levels, you could choose that here. You could do this for those student contacts, depending on what you would like. Then you're going to have your sort order. Depending on where you want it to be, a 0 is going to make it first. Maybe you want to have a push notification that goes along with this as well. And if you wanted it to be public, you could put it on that mobile app. So now let's talk about your actual announcement. Now, this is that rich text editor that works exactly like it would if you were making a message. So you could type something here if you would like, or you can insert an image. I'm going to insert a file that I have, and I have this fall festival flyer that I want to display. Now, maybe it's a little bit too big, but that's up to you on how you want it to be. Sometimes I will just resize it in half. Now that I've inserted my image, I'm going to go to the top and click the blue post button so that this announcement posts on the Focus portal for those profiles that I've chosen. And now I'm going to see it here. Now let's say I'm looking at my announcements and I don't see the one that I just made. Well, if I don't, I need to come to that top and click on this inactive button. And that's because that post wasn't active until the 30th. At any point in time, you can edit. Click your edit button and it's going to open up that next screen for you. And let's say I want to change it from the 30th to today, repost. If I go to my profile, I'm going to see it posted right here. And now I've created an announcement in Focus. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our recommended video that's here and fill out our content request form so we make videos that are just for you, because that is a Byte of Tech.